Welcome to Top 5 Report. The best child's first guitar is probably one of the most exciting and rewarding gifts you can give to a young aspiring musician, opening up a world of creativity, rhythm, and melody that can last a lifetime. It's a magical introduction to the joy of music, offering a tangible way for children to express themselves and develop a lifelong passion for playing an instrument. This isn't just a toy, it's a stepping stone to potentially discovering a hidden talent or simply providing a fun and engaging hobby that fosters discipline and coordination. Number 5. Battat Lil Rocker Toy Guitar. Introducing the Lil Rocker Toy Guitar from Battat. It's designed for little ones to explore the joy of music. This toy is recommended for children aged 2 and up. This colorful guitar toy is packed with exciting musical features for your budding musician. It's perfect for hours of creative play and musical exploration. Choose from 3 engaging modes. Play along to 7 pre-recorded songs, or unleash creativity in electric and acoustic modes. You can even create your own musical masterpieces. As your child plucks the strings and presses the buttons, they'll be enhancing their fine motor skills. It's a fun way to support their development. A songbook is included, making it easy to learn and play 7 popular nursery rhymes. Get ready to sing along and have a blast. What we like. This toy guitar offers 3 distinct modes for endless musical exploration. It even comes with a songbook to guide little ones. If you have a toddler who is just starting to explore sounds and rhythms, this is a fantastic choice to spark their early interest in music. What people say. This guitar is a great starter instrument for children, featuring a comfortable size and lightweight design that makes it easy for little hands to hold and play. The strings are soft and easy to press, reducing finger discomfort for beginners and allowing for longer practice sessions. It comes with adjustable tuning pegs that hold their tune well, ensuring the guitar stays in key and provides a pleasant sound experience. Number 4. 30 Acoustic Guitar for Kids. Help your child begin their musical adventure or advance their guitar skills with this beautiful acoustic instrument. It's perfect for sparking their interest in music and fostering creativity. This guitar features a comfortable, medium-sized neck and body, offering a great tone and easy playability. It's specifically designed for children aged 3 to 8. With accurate fret spacing and low string height, playing this instrument is made much easier for little hands. This means more time for fun and less frustration. Crafted with child-safe paint and sturdy wood construction, this guitar is built to last. It's a durable toy that your child will cherish for years. It comes fitted with traditional steel strings, ready for your child to start strumming. Please note that new strings may require frequent tuning initially until they stabilize. What we like. This acoustic wood guitar provides a more authentic playing experience for young musicians. Its comfortable design and accurate frets make learning easier. If you are looking for a first, real guitar for your child, aged 3 to 8, that encourages serious musical development, this is the one to consider. What people say. It is a great starter guitar for a child. The guitar is well made and durable, perfect for little hands. It has a nice sound and is easy to tune. Number 3. Pyle 3-4 Junior Size Acoustic Guitar Kit. Experience a better playing feel with this instrument, crafted entirely from wood. Its internal bracing ensures perfect intonation and comfortable string height. This 3/4 scale, 36-inch guitar is designed for younger players aged 7 to 11 or adults seeking easier chord transitions. Its glossy finish not only looks great but also provides protection. This complete bundle includes everything you need to start playing right away. You'll find picks, a strap, a cleaning cloth, and a convenient carry case. Easily tune up with our free mobile app, available for iOS and Android. It offers guided setup and care videos for a confident start. Embark on your musical journey with 2 months of access to extensive online courses, exercises, and popular song tutorials. Learn at your own pace, anytime, anywhere. What we like. This kit provides absolutely everything a beginner needs to get started right away. The 3/4 size is perfect for younger players, and the included lessons are a huge bonus. If you want a comprehensive package that removes all barriers to starting guitar lessons, this is an excellent option. What people say. The guitar has a nice finish and is well made. It's a great starter guitar for young children, easy to hold and play. The sound quality is surprisingly good for a child's instrument. Number 2. Donner 30-inch Kids Electric Guitar Beginner Kit DTJ 100S. This kid's electric guitar is designed to be lightweight, weighing only 5.97 lb. This makes it easier for children to handle and play without feeling burdened. With a neck length of 35 cm and a fingerboard width of 4.3 cm, this mini electric guitar is perfectly sized for most children. It's designed to fit their body size and hand shape comfortably. Its ergonomic design and matte lacquer surface help protect your child's skin from friction. This allows them to play for extended periods without any discomfort. Despite its size, it delivers a full sound comparable to a normal electric guitar. The classic humbucker pickup, volume control, tone knob, and locking tuners ensure it stays in tune and is versatile for various music styles. This beginner kit comes with everything needed to start playing immediately. It includes picks, cables, a gig bag, a strap, a professional amp, and even free online lessons. For increased string tension and pitch stability, we recommend tuning this instrument up by 1 or 2 notes from standard tuning. This will help maintain its sound and playability. What we like. This electric guitar is specifically designed to be lightweight and comfortable for children. It boasts excellent sound quality and comes with an amp and all necessary accessories. If your child is drawn to the exciting world of electric guitar and you want a beginner-friendly instrument that won't cause discomfort, this is a great pick. What people say. The guitar is lightweight and easy for small hands to hold. It has a good sound quality for a beginner instrument. The included tuner is helpful for keeping the guitar in tune. Number 1. Best Choice Products 30 Inches Kids Acoustic Guitar Starter Kit. Get started with music right away. This all-inclusive set comes with everything a beginner needs, including a carrying case, extra strings, strap, and picks. Build your skills with 4 months of complimentary lessons from our partner, Fret Zealot. The app also features a digital tuner for easy, accurate tuning anywhere. Crafted from durable hardwood with a beautiful lacquered finish, it's designed to feel and sound like a full-size guitar, making learning comfortable for kids. Its classical design features a tight string gap, perfect for beginners. This helps reduce player fatigue, allowing for longer practice sessions. Sized perfectly for children, they can easily reach every note. Available in various colors, your child can find the perfect instrument to express their unique sound. What we like. This acoustic guitar comes as a complete starter package, including lessons and a tuner app. It's built from durable hardwood and designed for comfortable play. If you're looking for a complete, high-quality acoustic guitar set that offers great value and supports learning, this is an ideal choice for aspiring young musicians. What people say. This is a great starter guitar for a child. It has a nice sound for a beginner guitar. The guitar is well made and durable for a child's toy. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.